In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Steam is not opening on Windows 10 or Windows 11. What you want to do is you want to close down Steam completely, so search for Task Manager, go to Details, press anywhere and press S, look for Steam and then Task, and make sure you close down everything with Steam. So just look here, there's no more Steam. Click on this right here, look for Steam. If it's here, right click and exit Steam. Once we have closed it completely, what you want to do is come here and search for run, type in percentage local app data percentage, press OK, and in here you want to look for your Steam folder. Then you simply want to delete the Steam folder, and after you delete it, right click, refresh. Then what you want to do is you want to come here and search for run again, type in Steam double dot, I don't know what it's called, colon, and then forward slash flush config, and press. It's gonna say updating Steam, verifying installation, and then it should now work. Now I'm running it in compatibility mode. It's just a setting I put on. You don't need to do that, but that's about it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.